like this. This is the context.
Okay.
Now you can copy, paste, etc. as per your company requirement. Anything else?
No, it's good.
Feel free to ask any question up till now, because I'm quite comfortable now that you have gone through all the steps and we have covered a lot of course. Don't worry. Should I move forward?
Yes.
Yes.
Typical and rigid. That's it. Now let's jump into our today's new lecture. Let me go to the Excel training. Let's start with numerical and conditional form. If you see this data, you can see that the values, there are different values. We can see from their minimum value is 6,000, around 6,000, maximum is around 50,000, and your manager says to you, please highlight all the cells that is greater than 20,000. How you will do that? Any idea? I want to highlight all the cells
You
in
would
column
do,
F. What will I do?
yeah, I would do
Manually, like
F5.
this. F5,
No?
then
Special
F5 will, it will not.
formulas? No? That's not
mm,
it? Okay.
no.
Ah,
The one way start the formula, it will give you the logic here as well. Let's say if I say that if this value is greater than 25,000, then give yes, otherwise give no. Now I can count yes is equal to count if. Let's track this formula down. This is the lengthy way, but the idea is very good. I'm glad that you are thinking. Count if, this is the range, control shift down arrow, control backspace, then pick the yes. Now we can see that in my dataset 14 values are those that are greater than 25,000. Now if you want to see the percentage of it, you will count total by using count a function. Select all the data sets. This is my total 25, 14 are that is greater than 25. Simply divide by this value and change into the percentage. You can see how easily we just created a thesis. We help out our company to solve their KPIs, and now they can see that okay, if let's say they are giving some bonuses to the people who are doing sales greater than 25,000, they can easily judge that we have around 56% there as well.
so
Okay, now
when do you use counta? So counta is for everything. Like when you want to count everything. So it's like
yes,
count all,
count A.
kind of.
Count sort of count A means it will add any cells that are not empty. It can be either text or it can be either number. Simple count will add only numbers.
Okay.
Okay, now my question was, i want to give the different color all cells that are greater than 20,000. For that purpose I will use the conditional formatting. If you go there in the first slide, there are two kinds of formatting. One is numeric formatting, second is stylistic formatting. Numeric formatting means, let's say I am right here 65. I can go there, use the separators, increase the decimal points, decrease the decimal points, give it to the percentage, give it to the currency, change the number formatting. All these are called numeric formatting. In the stylistic formatting, let's say I can change the background color. This is stylistic formatting. I can change the text color. I can give different shape, etc. But in stylistic formatting, there are two kinds of stylistic. One is non-conditional. This is that is purely based on your interest or based on your desire. But conditional formatting will come with certain logic. Like we just do it here. Now we will select the data. Control Shift down arrow. Because I want to highlight all the cells where the value is greater than 20,000, I will go into the conditional formatting. Go there, there are multiple options. Initially, I will go the highlight cells that is greater than. I can write the value 25,000 or 20,000. how easily all the cells would be highlighted. Now you can see all the cells have been highlighted that is greater than 20,000. And the magic of this function is that it is dynamic. Dynamic means let's say if I reduce this value, color will be changed automatically. If I reduce this value, color will change automatically. If I
Okay.
reduce this value, color will change automatically. If I increase this value, color will change automatically. Likewise, you can apply this if the value is less than with a certain condition. Select the data, go there, less than, let's say less than 15,000. And here are multiple options. Uh, Light red fill, yellow fill, red text. Let's see if I pick this. Now all the values will be highlighted that are less than 15,000. Likewise, you can put numbers in between. In between means greater than 30,000, less than 40,000. Go there. Third option is in between. Less great. In between means 30,000 and 40,000. And now I can put another logic. Let's say red fill text. Okay. This is third option. Even though you can change the different colors over there. In between 30,000, 40,000. And change there, go there, custom format. In the custom format, go to the fill and change the any color do you like. Now you can see change the color you applied up there. Likewise, we just apply the some logics that give that give us conditional formatting with certain logic. Either it can be greater than, less than, in between. Now we can give this logic to the top 10, bottom 10, top 10%, bottom 10%, above average, below average, like this. Let me select the data, down arrow, conditional formatting, and top 10. Here is the option for you. You can make it for top 10, top 5, top 20, etc. Let's say I want top 10. Go there, give the color. Let's say I like this color. Wow. Now the color has been applied as per my logic requirement. Just a second. Okay. Now you can, likewise, you can do this for the bottom 10. Select the data. Go there, bottom 10. Give the red border or give custom format, fill with, let's say, blue color. Here is the option for top 10%, bottom 10%. Easily you can go there and pick the value for top 10%. You can apply in the same cell with new logic as well. Let's say bottom 10% with different color. Now you can see the same cell. Yellow is values that are top 10%. Red is that are bottom 10%. Like you can even apply the new color over there as the above average with different color, like this. All the values are above average now. And likewise you can get the idea. Here we can greater than, less than, between. These will apply on the numbers, on the text. Sorry, let's say if I write some name here, few names, let's say Nicole. Spellings are not correct, I guess. Nicole, Mustafa, and Richin. Sorry if the, now we have three names. Let's say we have fourth name Adams. Now you want to see that if the name contains Mustafa, please give the different color. Select the data, go to the condition formatting and go there, text that contains. Here you can put Mustafa and give the custom format as per your requirement, and you can see that the name Mustafa will appear even if I change this name with Mustafa. automatically it will give the new color. This is called the conditional formatting. Formatting is being applied with certain condition, with certain logic. Okay,
Okay,
like
makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense.
that's great. Likewise, let's say you have applied some rules over there, but you want to delete these rules. How you can do that? If you go there, go to the bottom, manage rules. All the rules are here in front of me. Let's say if I select all data, go there, manage rules. All the rules are here for me. And if you want to delete, let's say above average, just delete it. Select and delete this. You can delete this. You can delete this. You can delete this. Or even you can edit this. Let's say if I delete it, or I need to edit it. You can edit this. How? Edit rule, go there. Let's see, now you want to highlight only top or bottom five. You can do that. Apply. Okay, now you can see bottom five have been highlighted for you. And likewise, let me show you some more magics. Let's say delete, clear all rules from the selected cell. Now you can see all the rules have been removed. Here are some other options as well. If you see the data in the conditional formatting, there are some data bars as well. These data bars are telling you that means if the value is high, bar length would be more. If the value is low, like you can see, bar length is almost negligible. Here the value is high, bar length is high. And the beautiful thing is that if I change this value, automatically bar length would be adjusted accordingly, like this. Now you can see all these values are being compared with each other and bar length is coming as per our requirement. And now even we can manage this and we can edit this. Let's say if you don't want to apply the bar, you can apply 3D scale. You can do that. Let me do this again for you. Let me delete it. Clear rule. Select the data. Go there. In the data bar, there are multiple options. Even you can give the fill color as well. This is the three color. Sometimes it is called heat map. Heat map means if the value is high, it will give you the dark green color. Let's say if I give this 35,000, you can see the value color would be changed. If the value is very low, it will give you the dark red color. Let's say I can give the 20. Now you can see dark red color for the lowest values, dark green color for the highest values. And you can edit these colors as per your requirement. Here are multiple options like this.
I
This
like
is
that
the
one.
red white one. It's up to you. This is the
Yep.
single monochromatic
Mhm.
color with different shades. If the value is high, dark green. If the value is low, almost white, like here. Okay. Meanwhile, you can apply some icons as well, like this. Like this, you can apply the some logics over there as well. And if total value you want to give the different shades for the total value, you can give this. Through this we can easily see that laptop sale is much higher than desktop as well. And if we see the data bar with different colors, let's say if I want to give the heat map, now we can easily see that in laptops sale was in Jan Feb are normal, but in March April was low, but it again increased in May June July August, and it was fine in September and October. Likewise, if you see only January, casing sale was too much low, and in August overall our sales was good. Means we can see our whole data in a single second, and we can see the snapshot how our business is going in last year, last month, last for different products for different regions, etc. Okay,